They come out better than in bakeries. Boil water in a pan. Add yogurt. Vegetable oil. Salt. And flour. Mix well. Put the dough on the table. Sprinkle with vegetable oil. Knead again. Divide into equal pieces. Roll out thin sheets. Mix in shredded feta cheese. With finely chopped parsley. Put the filling on the dough. Glue the edges of the dough. Cut off the excess dough. Fry on both sides for 2 minutes. Mix in mayonnaise. With ketchup. Chili sauce. Green onions. And finely chopped pickles.